Castle CareTech 2300, I think it is.
He gives all these old bits and pieces.
Right, alarm panel. Now, this wasn't fitted by me originally. This was fitted by another company. This used to be an old key switch panel, and there used to be ultrasonics. Big, great things. Ultrasonics, oh yeah, you can still see the fixings. Went from here up to those two holes there. It's a massive, great thing, but I put these ones in. And they're quite old now. Right, so yeah, so that was an old panel. I replaced it, stuck that one in, and we're changing that one now because that one's, I think it still works okay, but it's got problems with it. To show you what we got. So keypad, we got door contact, and we have an Apollo S. Is that an S? Yes, it is. It's an S. That's the good ones. You can get Apollo Ds, which are like crap. So what you can do is you get a little blink when it thinks it's got you. Oh, and then it comes on permanently when it's got you properly. These are good detectors in their days, actually. That is an Optex. I can't remember the model number, but they're pretty good. Horrible. Horrible. Again, I did not put the cabling in. I just changed the detectors last time. So we've got that one there. Apollo S.
I've blotted it. Oh, sorry.
Right, now, this is my one that I really like, because when I was an apprentice, I fitted these all the time. I fitted hundreds of these, and I haven't seen one for absolutely ages. You ready for it? A Racal Scorpio. Oh my god. These used to be, customers didn't used to like these because the LED is like, lights up like a beacon. So what we used to do is there's an LED behind there, obviously, and we used to extend it and put it on like a little tube. So it's like a little light tube that shone down this little tube, and then it comes up with a little dot on here rather than lighting the whole screen up. But that's, I'm out of breath. That was oh look, I've even spaced it away because it wasn't picking up in there. So I aimed the detector down a bit, so it lowered its field of view, so it went in there. But anyway, Racal Scorpio, and the way you open these, everyone used to break these because they didn't used to know how to open them. And that key, I haven't got the key anymore, but you can just use anything really. Just need to get something in there and you turn it, and you can turn the LED off by turning it to that position. So you put your prongs in, turn it vertical, that turns the LED off, it's still working. Then if you go left even more, that's what opens the box up, and then that whole thing hinges forwards. Are they pretty good detectors? Well, I used to fit bloody loads of them. I think they were, really. I mean, maybe I'll take a picture inside there later, but it's sort of like the casing of the PCB is in metal. So, you know, it's pretty good, reliable detector. But remember, it's only a PIR, and it's quite an old generation one now. This works the same, it's a Racal, which is the same as the one in the hallway and the living room, and it gives you a little blink when it's not sure if it's got you. I'm moving slowly. There's the first pulse. Yeah, you can hear a little tick when it's got you. So, it's got you. Yeah, first one was sort of like a first pulse, not sure if it's got you or not. Anyway, that used to be an ultrasonic as well. Can we still see the holes for the old ultrasonic? Yep, I think, yeah, there's that one. Not quite sure, but the ultrasonics were quite big. So the ultrasonics were from like there down to about here, I think. Goodbye. Right. No, hang on. Continue with the video. Then the alarm box. It's a company I used to work for. I use my mega zoom. There's an LED in there. don't know if that still works or not. We'll do a little test, shall we? Right. So, for set it for bedtime, what you have to do is you have to remove downstairs. You have to press cancel downstairs, only upstairs. How about night? Oh, chime was that one. Little C comes up. And they changed that to a musical note afterwards. Okay. This is memories for me as well. There's no quick set on this. Well, there is, but you've got to turn it on. It's a menu item. And it says, do you want silent set? And then you press yes. Oh, quick set? No, there's no quick set. I can't remember. For this, to get the cable to here, because remember this is an old key switch panel, I cut the wallpaper. You might be able to see. I peeled back the wallpaper, cut a slot in the plaster. Okay, let's see if it works outside. Oh, it does work. That's a Besson sounder. That's not the original sounder. Cool.
These are before I was doing photography.
Oh my god, I remember now. There used to be, instead of this speaker, there used to be a motorised siren in there. You know, one that goes like that. It was here. It was round, I remember that. And there used to be one inside the old alarm box outside as well. Obviously I changed it to a speaker. That was cool. I kept that for ages. I think I threw it away in the end. Right, engineers mode. Oh, full. Oh yeah, and then you can do. Well, you got the whole system, so that you can set. And that's all the areas, or you do A, B, and C to select individual like that. Okay, so I'll do no. Set system. Yeah, this is how you do it. So you have to go no. Ah, if you press yes now, you get all the options. That. Anyway, sorry, no, manager menu, yes, then it. Oh my god, those noises! I remember. I think there was a quick button on here to get you out of this. Was it B? No. A? A D? 0? I can't remember now. Had to go no, all the way around to the end. Exit engineer mode. Ah, yeah, and the old version used to take ages. The memory for this system is actually on this keypad. So it's not held here, it's held on the keypad. And the old versions, which this is, used to take ages to come out of engineers mode. So if I do no, yes. Oh. That diddle it from there, I remember that. Clean start, no. So program zones, yes. Zone 1, yes. The zone type, assigned area, assign attributes, what do we have? The name, yes. Text editor, yes. And then you select zone number, and then you have to do, I think it was like, well, I can change this because I'm changing the panel anyway. Like 56 was an X, yeah, and what was it? 65 as an A, yeah. That's it. Oh my god, I used to remember all these. 68 D, and then 69 was an E. Yeah, oh my god. And PIR was something like oh no, now 45. Oh, 47. No, 46. No, oh wait, sorry. Because I don't know my alphabet. 48. 4, yeah. Oh my god. 48, 41. I did it already. I didn't even know. No, I didn't. You get the idea anyway. It's by using a 2-digit number and like a character number. I'll put that in now, never mind. Yeah, let's go up a few sounds. Then number 2, final exit entry. Oh, right, okay. So the Hall PIR name. Ah, yeah, it is in a different zone. So that is not wired in with that. It's wired into a different zone, but it's just programmed the same. Zone 3, intruder. That's a normal alarms. It goes off immediately. Assign to area. Yeah, it's on area A. Assign attributes. You've got all them. Name, text editor, lounge PIR. I do living room PIR now. Lounge seems a bit, don't know, I prefer living room, sounds better. Then 99 got you out of it. Change zones, I'm not going to do that one. Timers, exit route, bell duration, 5 minutes, rearm 3 times. Service warning timer, oops, oh damn. Timers, time and date. Yeah, oh god.
Well, it was their lorry, but it was on a contract for this.
Exit modes,
But this is the
timed.
British St. Elfridge.
No, sound options, strobe confirm exit. Oh yeah, yeah. When you used to set the alarm, it used to flash the strobe light outside to tell you that the system's set for 5 seconds. Sounder continue, okay, whatever.
Wonder what they stuck the flowers on.
Oh, now that is the little cottage.
What's we got? Alarm response venue. A, full alarm. Okay, it's a bit boring. Outputs 1 and 2. Oh yeah. 2 outputs. Site options. Oh, I remember this being an interesting one. Anti-false alarm. I don't know what that is. Enter site code. There was something at the end of it. Oh, here we go. Silent set menu. So then you can turn that on. So you can. It asks you another question when you set it. Do you want silent set? You do yes. It does it. It sets the system without the sound as if you're going to bed. Zone emit menu. Yeah, that's the area selected menu. Yeah, that's a setting menu. Change codes. I'm not going to do that one. Engineer tests. Test bell. And I remember it used to be difficult to turn it back off again.
It's a very nice photo.
Oh yeah. No, strobe light. Oh, I won't go outside and do that, but that's the blue light underneath the alarm box. Sounder. Oh, we know what that sounds like inside. Keypad tones. Test digicom. Test inputs. All test. I remember that. Diddle-it. Diddle-it. Every time you go past the zone. Here we go. And it scrolls around the zones that you tested. I better start changing this alarm over in a minute. Oh dear. And then yeah, it scrolls the zones that you tested. That's 2 we're done. Was it no? Yeah. Exit tests. Yep. What else we got? Engineered. Oh my god! This is brilliant! Check this out. Circuit condition. Then I think if you just did. Oh no, it wasn't that one. That shows you the resistance of each zone. So that is zone 2, 1K. And if I moved in front of that PIR down there, then it goes to 13. Oh, 1K and 13K resistors. That was it. Oh my god, 1K is normal, and then 13K is alarm. Anyway, we come out of there. No, but what was the 99 to come out of there? And then, oh, what was it? There was something in here.
I got a box of them.
Print circuit conditions. There was a way to show all the zones, all on the screen, as letters. It was unique to this panel.
We had a box of those, this big.
Sure, it's engineer diagnostics.
And we went through it, and there was only 2 that were still married.
Got to go back around there because I used to use that all the time. I want to remember. Engineer diagnostics.
And some of them are kind of 3 weddings with one person the same in each.
I'm sure it had it, you know.
With different
Was it one of these you had to press? No. Oh yeah, that goes up the zones. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I'm not wrong. It was in here somewhere, but I can't remember where it was.
About slides upstairs.
No.
Boxes and boxes, 'cause I
Condition.
used to do it.
Oh, that's cool. How do you stop it? In-station faults, no. Print diagnostics. Print circuit conditions, no. I don't know. I know it was in here somewhere. But anyway, that's the Castle CareTech 2300. Big memories for me. This is cool. Thought I'd add this to the video. This is the outlet fuse. So that's all the 12-volt supplies. And it's very sad. The end of the Castle CareTech system. I'm going to pull the fuse out now. Oh, sad as it fades out.